I had just 30 days to completely prepare for one of the most important exams of my life. If I failed, months of planning, opportunities, and dreams would be at risk. But I didn't have months to waste. I needed a system that would maximize my score in just 1 month. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Here's the truth. Cramming endlessly doesn't work. You can read every page, watch every lecture, and memorize every formula, but if you don't practice smartly, you'll forget most of it the next day. I discovered a system that focuses on what matters most: your weaknesses, your practice, and your mistakes. And it can work for any exam in just 30 days. The first step is to understand where you actually stand. Most students take a practice test, feel bad about their score, and then blindly start studying from the beginning of their book. That's a huge mistake. Instead, spend your first 2 days doing a full, timed practice test. Don't just grade it, analyze it. Create a simple spreadsheet and log every wrong answer. Ask yourself which topics you always mess up, which question types waste your time, and what patterns of mistakes keep repeating. For me, it wasn't that I didn't know the material, it was that I kept making small, repeatable mistakes under pressure. Once you know your weaknesses, you don't need to relearn everything, just the areas that matter most. This is the foundation. Without it, you're just guessing where to spend your limited time. Next, you need a plan that keeps you focused but doesn't burn you out. I call it the 3-2-1 routine. 3 hours of focused study per day, 2 subjects per session, and 1 full practice test every week to track progress.
Here's how to structure those 3 hours. Spend the first hour attacking your biggest weakness, and the second hour on mixed practice drills. We recommend using Pomodoro and active recall during these first 2 hours. We explain exactly how to use them in more detail in another video, and we'll put a link to it in the description. The third hour is for timed mini-sections. Practice under strict time limits to build confidence and master pacing. Following this schedule gives us structure and discipline, but the real power comes next.
The secret weapon that separates good scores from great scores is your mistakes. And I don't mean just noticing them, I mean studying them obsessively. Create a notebook called Your Mistake Journal. Every time you get a question wrong, write down why you got it wrong, the correct answer and why your strategy for next time, and create a similar problem yourself. This forces your brain to internalize the logic and ensures you won't repeat the same mistake. If you found this strategy helpful, subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. We'd love to know. What's the one exam topic you struggle with the most, and how would you tackle it in 30 days?